Okay, again, here's our problem. 527 equals what number to the base 5? Well, let's think about what a base 5 number means. First of all, 5 to the 0 is 1. 5 to the 1 is 5. 5 to the second is 25. 5 to the third is 125. 5 to the fourth is 625. Now we're trying to find a number in base 5 that'll give us 527. We want to find powers of these numbers here that will add up to 527. So let's ask ourselves, let's see, we don't need 625 to make up 527, do we? So we're not going to use 625. However, 5 to the third is 125. If we want to make up 527, we could use 4 of these. Okay, if we take 5 to the third or 125 4 times, well, 4 times 5 to the third is 4 times 125 or 500. So if we got 4 of these, we got 500, and we need only 27 more to make up our 527. So we decided we need 4 times 5 to the third. And we still need 27. Now we go over to 5 to the second. Okay? Well, we need 27 more, so we're going to take a 5 to the second. We're going to use one. That's going to give us 525 out of our 527. And now we only need 2. So what are we going to do next? Well, 5 to the first is 5. We only need 2, so we're not going to use any 5s. If we use a 5, we're going to be over the 527. We don't want to do that. So we come over here and we say, okay, 5 to the 0 is 1. We need 2. We're going to use 2 of these. So now you see that we've built up our 527. We got 2 1s, or 2 5 to the 0s, 1 25, or 2 5 to the seconds, and 4 125s, 4 5 to the thirds. And of course, no 5 to the firsts. So we can say 527 equals 4 times 5 to the third, plus 1 times 5 to the second, plus 0 times 5 to the first, plus 2 times 5 to the 0. In base 5 notation, that's exactly what this number means. 2 times 5 to the 0, plus 0 times 5 to the first, plus 1 times 5 squared, plus 4 times 5 cubed. So here we get this number, 527, expressed in base 5 notation. Okay. Now, you should see if you can figure out what 1431 is in base 5. You should stop the clip and figure that out. Now I'm going to tell you, it's 21211, base 5. What's this mean? This means 1 times 5 to the 0, plus 3 times 5 squared, plus 4 times 5 cubed, plus 1 times 5 to the 4th. Okay? I'm sorry. It means 1 times 5 to the 0, plus 1 times 5 to the 1, plus 2 times 5 to the 2, plus 1 times 5 to the 3, plus 2 times 5 to the 4th. Did that with the wrong number. Okay, our number is 1431, base 10. In order to build that up out of base 5, we're going to need some 5 to the 4th. So that's 625. If we got 2 625s, we got 1250 of the 1431. So we're going to need 2 of those. That's going to leave us, I believe, 181. So we're going to need 125 to make up 181. And that's going to leave us what, 56? Yeah. So to make up 56, we're going to need 2 5 squareds, which is 2 25s. That's going to leave us 6, which means we're going to add a 5 to the first and a 5 to the 0.